Okay, customer wants me to go ahead and pull the head to see what's caused it to not have compression. Number 3. So told him that I'd pull this off. Try to see what caused the failure. So we got all these, I guess they're 12 or 11 millimeter bolts. I'm not sure. We'll have to take, this one ground wire off. It's actually two bolts. I mean, unless I can get that one out. But we're going to take off our sensor, or 2 sensors actually. Come on now. Yeah, I probably haven't been off 50 years. Alright, I'm sorry. I always warn everybody when I do this that we hope that the bolts are going to come out. We don't really know, but we're going to hope for the best. And just hope it all comes out in the wash. Let's see here. My best guess is no oil. And the bottom carb wasn't probably giving any oil back there. Come on. There it goes. There's that. And we got this other one up here. Gotta take off. That came off easy. And then we got a ground wire down here we gotta deal with. So I do it from here. I don't know. It's probably an 8. What are these, 11? 12s? I kind of hate to break it from here because that's dangerous. So I can break it from these guys. So on these, man, what I do is I start from the bottom, like the bottom down here. Like I'll do these. And then I do these and work my way to the inside. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. I don't know, we'll see what happened. I told him I seriously doubt that he has a head gasket failure, because you would have some compression. It's most likely a ring. It has come loose. Since these came off this easy, I might try to get this one off. Usually you don't have to break these like here, you just got to break them here. So this should be an 8. No, it's 10. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Came right out. Wow. It's kind of odd. Looks like we're gonna need to cut that though. I'll go get the clippers. tie wrap. So when I take it off, I just take it off. Alright, so that's off. Those two are out. Almost. So the two on the bottom is hard ones to get out. The other ones are easy. Come out of there. Time constraints, I'm gonna zip them off. So yeah, I just start from the top. Well, the bottom ones came out easy. Don't know, fellers. Like I said, man, this is always one of those where you get started and then looks like we got another ground over there we got to deal with too on this side. That was loose. That was loose. Did I just do that? Okay. That's loose. That's loose. It's loose. It's loose. Loose. Like a hammer action will help it. Let's get this off. Alright. Let's see what we got. And we may have to get a little screwdriver. couple little places where you can pry. It's like right here. That's not one to do either. You get a smaller one. Sometimes they use a sealant, so, or they've just been on there for a long time. There it goes. What's behind door number 1? Yeah, you can see the discoloration. See how this was not getting any oil. Oh yeah, there's a big old piece of the piston missing. Let's see, we'll take this top cover off and I can look in there. You don't get any oil. It's like, I don't know if you guys can even see it. You can see right here, there's just a whole part of that piston is missing. The walls are very like pitted. There you go. So I'll take some pictures and send it to him. I don't think that this is gonna hone out. These are alright, but I'm hoping you guys can see that. Yeah, see, we got a big old gap right there. So yeah, it's pretty pitted. Yeah, there's like a little mark on the ports. I mean, it's got oil in it. I don't know. Let me take a picture of that. It would be possible to put another piston in it, but I don't do it because of the liability. We can see that our gasket's in decent shape. It does have a few little places there, but I mean, it is in decent shape. Anyway, take some pictures and yeah. Oh yeah, it's even loose. See that? I shouldn't have any play. So I'll show you one up here. Here's number 1. See, there's no play in that. Maybe a little, but it's not much. There's number 2. Yeah, the top one has a little bit of play. Number 1, number 2 is good. It's got hardly no play at all. And then number 3, look at that. It's bad. It's bad. Anyway, let me take a picture of that and send to him. It's unfortunate. Thanks for watching.